You can make about $1,000 to $9,000 in a month using the Bible on this YouTube street. Yes. If you're thinking it's unethical to use the Bible to make money, let's go back and look at what the Bible says about making wealth. The Bible says it gives us the power to make wealth. So let me show you something. This YouTube channel here posts Bible verses for sleep, Bible verses for so many other things. And guess how much they are earning? They are earning up to $9,800 in a month just by posting prayers from the Bible. This is what they are making in a month. These are also other channels that are posting the same thing. Now, these channels are posting prayers for God's protection when sleeping, and they are making thousands and thousands and thousands of views. Now, if you're thinking and wondering, is it okay for me to make money with the Bible or create content with the Bible? It is a big yes. Now, let me show you how you are going to do this for free and begin to start earning. Now, we will go over to Pixabay. You can use Pixabay or you can use Pixels. Here you can find free videos, free pictures, free music, free illustration, anything without any copyright issues. You can use videos from here. Now we want to recreate a prayer video like the other one I showed you in the beginning of the video, and it was a lion head. We are going to look for a video of a lion walking or a lion, just a lion's head. So I'm just going to look out for the one that looks very nice for me, and we are going to download it. Remember, this is very, very free and you do not have any copyright issues when you use it. Okay, I think I like this one. Let's play it and then I will just be downloading it. You can see it looks really magnificent. It looks amazing. It reflects like the thing we want to do. It reflects like, how God is. It reflects something powerful. So next we are going to look for inspirational background music that we can put in the video. Remember that everything we are taking from here is free and you do not have any copyrighted issues. Now we are just going to look for the one that sounds really nice. We'll download it and then we'll go over to the next step, which is having ChatGPT generate some prayers for us. So we are going to let ChatGPT do the work for us. We are going to ask it to give us 20 Bible passages for protection. This is so that we can just copy it and paste it in 11 Labs to generate our audio. Remember that everything we are doing here is free. ChatGPT has given us 20 Bible passages, both from the Old Testament and the New Testament. If you want a longer video, you can ask ChatGPT to give you more than 20. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you for different scenarios, prayer for peace, prayer for anxiety, prayer for forgiveness, whatever you want. Ask ChatGPT to do that for you. The final thing we are going to do right now is to generate the speech. We are going to be using 11 Labs for this. So once you click on 11 Labs, go over to text to speech, go and copy the Bible passages that ChatGPT had generated earlier and paste it over at 11 Labs. Make sure that you erase the parts that ChatGPT gave its conclusion. You do not want that part. Also make sure that you separate the verses, delete the part he wrote New Testament, Old Testament. Just make sure that what is left is only the Bible verses. Now we are going to go ahead and just give some space between these Bible verses so that the AI tool that is going to be generating the voiceover will understand what exactly we are doing. You want the AI generator to be able to give us these Bible verses in a very good way. Now we'll go over to the voices and select one of the cheap voices or one of the nice voices that doesn't cost us anything. You know that we are using the free version. Although my version here is paid, this is available for you to use as a free version. We are going to reduce the speed or the talking speed of our voiceover, reducing the speed and the stability. We are just going to make sure we reduce it a lot so that it sounds more slow and it sounds more, prayerful and all that. Once that is done, we'll generate the speech and then we are going to download it. Now let's listen to what it sounds like.
Psalm 91, 1 through 2. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Proverbs 18:10. The name of the Lord is a fortified tower. The righteous run to it and are safe.
That is an amazing voiceover. I love it so much. Go ahead and save it to your computer. If you're using your phone, just go ahead and save it. Now go ahead and import everything into CapCut. In this video, I'm using CapCut PC. You can actually use CapCut Mobile to get this done. Now, what are the things you're bringing into CapCut? You're bringing in the video, you're bringing in the voiceover, and you're bringing in the background music. Now, for this video, I am going to reduce the speed of this video and make it much slower so that it's giving me that kind of, inspirational look that I am looking for. It's also going to make the video longer. You can also decide to duplicate the video just to make it longer, but for me, I am just reducing the speed so that it is longer. So you can see on the timeline, the video already looks longer. Now for the voiceover, I'm going to leave the volume as it is, but for the background music, go ahead and reduce the volume. You do not want it to overshadow the voiceover. You can go ahead and add text, you can go ahead and add caption, you can go ahead and add filter, whatever you want to do. Just make sure that it looks nice and it looks as beautiful as what you would like. Now I'm going to be looking for a filter to put in here. I just want something to make it look different from what I downloaded on the internet. I think I like this one. I like the way that this filter looks. And since we are going all free, look for a filter that is available for free. Do not look for the filter that is available in the pro version. We are looking for free things. So just go ahead and look for a free filter. You can go ahead and play with this thing, play with it, just play around with it until you've gotten something nice. Now let's see the end product of what we have done.
Psalm 91, 1 through 2. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust. Isaiah 41:10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Proverbs 18:10. The name of the Lord is a fortified tower. The righteous run to it and are safe. Exodus 14:14. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. Psalm 46:1. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Deuteronomy 31:6. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or terrified because of them, for the Lord your God goes with you.
Now that you have learned how to do this, you can go ahead and open your own YouTube channel and start uploading prayers, start uploading nice things there with this tutorial that I have given to you. It is an amazing way to make money off on YouTube, and you will thank me later. This video has been helpful. Please go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until the very next time, bye-bye.